Hi there, girlfriends and boyfriends. Welcome to Location Freedom Hub. In today's video, we're going to go through how to add Etsy reviews to our online stores. Especially if you're selling digital products, this feature is huge for your dropshipping store to get that proof and confidence with the customer, social proof, get reviews onto your product page and get you sales. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is head on to elfsite.com. This is how I'm going to show you how you can easily get Etsy reviews on your store free of charge. So you see here a variety of features these guys offer. I'm so excited. In fact, right after this video, I'm going to add a couple of more to my store. I've never really had Instagram feed and Facebook feed on my store. Particularly Instagram is what I'm interested in, is because I've now built my Instagram a little bit and the feed looks really pretty, so I think it'll look really nice perhaps on the homepage of my site. So that's something I'm going to be doing, and also what I recommend and what draws my eyes especially is to add some sort of chat feature into your store and could increase your conversions drastically. So let's focus on Etsy for now. You have a search bar here, so I'm going to write Etsy, and you can see here eBay as well, quite interesting. But Etsy review, you click on create widget. Then on here you choose your layout. Such a nice way of presenting the reviews. You've got so many options here, so just choose the one that goes with your site more. What I like is they have a dark, so with a black background, dark widgets as well as light, so whatever fits with your site. If you have a black site, of course it's so much easier for you to have this type of layout incorporated. Yeah, so let's say we'll go with white, we'll go with the carousel format, right? So we'll do that. Here you will name your widget Etsy reviews. Let's call it Etsy reviews. Okay. Right, so we'll click continue with this template. Now on here, I want you to go into Etsy, right? And take the URL of your store, of your Etsy store, and put it in here. Then click apply. So then what the widget will do, it will automatically pull out all the insert all the reviews on your store into the widget here, and will update all of this basic template, right? But let's say for me, this is my link, this is what I'm happy with, these are my reviews, so let's go ahead and edit that further. So the 4 things you can edit further on this layout are content, layout, reviews themselves, and the style, right? Light, dark, and custom. You can even incorporate your colors, your site, your brand. It's so customizable, and I love that the most whenever I'm working with any sort of app. For my Shopify store, Shopify is what I use, but I'll show you. This is a very easily integrating widget. This site works for any site you've got, I'm sure, WooCommerce, WordPress, because the way you install the widget is via HTML code, so that applies to all sites, but we'll go through that later. Just wanted to go through some of the options here. So in terms of where are we, content, we have a few filters, so you can filter what what's the words, reviews to import from Etsy. So you can do anything from all to 5-star only, right? So you just filter through what reviews you'd like to bring over to your site, which is great. You might not want to bring the negative ones over. Yeah, so I suppose you could hide reviews that, you know, some sites allow you to just give stars as opposed to writing something about the product, and you can submit a review just by doing that. Well, here you can actually filter those out, so you will bring only reviews that actually bring value to your product page and provide some sort of customer feedback. So it depends on you. If you want to bring all reviews over, feel free. And then what I really like here, you can actually exclude all widgets, all reviews that mention a specific keyword. So let's say we want to exclude the word Etsy itself, right? And then you saw how the widget just went, the writing disappeared for a second there. What it did is it filtered out all the reviews that had the word Etsy in them, because you might want to import reviews but not mention where they came from when you put them on your site, so you can hide that. Equally, you can handpick reviews by name or keyword, so this is another way of helping you bring over only the reviews that you want. So say if we write Derek, because this is what we've got on screen here, say it will filter just the reviews that were written by Derek, and then you can easily import them over to your store. The only thing about this widget, it won't pull reviews live, so as they happen on your site automatically will pull them through. No, you'd have to go and do that yourself. Every time you get new reviews onto your Etsy store, you want to bring them over, you have to manually go in by using the widget, bring them over. But as you see, the widget's lovely, the website is lovely to use and super easy, so you can do that, say, on a weekly basis. Yeah, you can also write how many total number of reviews you'd like to show in your store, so you can do that as well. You can limit. Say you have thousands on your Etsy store, but you only want to display about 30 because you want to make it look like this is a new product that you've just launched on your store, right? This is not an old one. Then you might want to just reduce the number of reviews so that it coincides with the timeline of which you said that you have launched this product since. So that's everything for content. Layout, again, here is what I like is that you can hide this header altogether, but say for example I only want to hide the title, right? So that Etsy rating title has now disappeared, which is fantastic because it's kept all the other key information, and again it helped me hide where the reviews are coming from. You can play with the width, how many pixels you'd like the carousel to be, how wide. You can even change your layout again. Further on you have more settings, number of reviews per view, so auto, but say I want to just have 5 per row before people have to scroll over, they can see 5 all together. I can do that. Show navigation, arrows, yes, no, you can toggle that, and enable autoplay. So this for a carousel is very good because it just kind of does that every couple of seconds without customers having to scroll, which enables the chances of them seeing even more positive reviews in a heartbeat. Okay, review. This is how it's showing. So the review itself, you want it to have a spotlight structure, you want it to have a classic structure design, just kind of change that there. Further things that you can tick off and on, how to display review text, short and full. Again, for really long reviews like that, I'd recommend having them short and then with a read more text in case customers want to read more, so it doesn't look too messy on your site. And then I'm not sure what this is, but I just toggled off. Personally, I've done that when I've designed my widget. And the style, again, light, dark, and then I encourage you to play around with fonts and to insert your brand colors, which is what we want. We want to make the widget look as it's purposely part of our site and it's incorporated nicely with the rest of our design. Once you save your widget and apply all the changes that you've done from a customization point of view, it will appear here on your dashboard under My Widgets. You can then later on, if you'd like, duplicate or edit or remove. The next step is how you add to website. Then you go on here and then you will copy this code, click on it once, it's automatically copied to clipboard. I'm not sure what you guys are using to design your stores, but for Shopify you go to online store and then click customize, and then from the left hand side you will choose a element to add into your page design, and then it's just add HTML, simple. It gives you an empty box, and then you paste your custom HTML code that you've copied from Elf site into that box and save that, and that's it. I believe that's everything I wanted to go through today. Finally, I just wanted to go through the plans that Elf site has, and the reason why I said you can get this done for free, because literally I've done that for my site today with this light version. Right, so you can see I'm currently on the light $0 per month plan, and that allows you to have a widget on one single website. That's fine. I'm not sure if you're allowed to do multiple widgets, so as I said later at the beginning of the video, I'll try and do the chat for my site, as well as try and incorporate the Instagram feed onto my homepage. So I'll let you know in the comments below how I get on with that, and if I've managed to add multiple widgets on the same site. It should work on the light plan, because here it doesn't say anything about how many widgets. It just says you can only do it per one website and 200 views. Even if you were or needed to go on to one of the paid plans, it is so affordable. I do believe that it is a fantastic way of bringing over reviews from Etsy, especially if you are already successfully selling your digital product on Etsy and then you want to bring some of that social proof onto your site. I really encourage you to do that. Or you perhaps have been selling your own candles or physical products but have started on Etsy, and now you want to try and expand your market and just sell to a wider audience. Now it's your time to bring over those reviews and bring your product page to life and hopefully increase those conversion rates. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, take care and I'll see you later. Bye.